Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin's least volatile month ever. BTC price ends February up 0.03%. Ethereum price resistance at $1,750 could reflect traders' anxiety over the Shanghai upgrade. Solana plans to improve its blockchain. BINANCE CEO responds to mainstream FUD. They don't know how an exchange works. COINBASE lists Circle's Euro stablecoin EUROC. Unstable coins, pegging, bank runs, and other risks. COINBASE CEO reiterates that staking products aren't securities. Gaming engine Unity adds MetaMask functionality among new 403 tools. Twitter down the same day Jack Dorsey launches decentralized alternative.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin's least volatile month ever. BTC price ends February up 0.03%. Bitcoin closed February 2023 with a 0.03% increase in its price, making it the least volatile month ever recorded for the cryptocurrency. Throughout the month, the cryptocurrency recorded a maximum swing of only 5.5%, the lowest since records began. Analysts suggest this may indicate a higher level of stability in the Bitcoin market and could be a sign of maturity in the cryptocurrency. Although the price increase for Bitcoin was modest, other digital assets such as Ethereum saw significant gains during the month. Ethereum price resistance at $1,750 could reflect traders' anxiety over the Shanghai upgrade. The price of Ethereum has faced resistance at the $1,750 level, which some analysts believe reflects traders' anxiety over the upcoming Shanghai upgrade of the Ethereum network. Changes in the upgrade could affect miners and ultimately network performance, leading some traders to take precautions and sell their positions in the cryptocurrency. Despite this hurdle, the price of Ethereum has remained relatively stable compared to other cryptocurrencies in the market. Additionally, analysts suggest that interest in Ethereum options contracts has increased, which could be a signal of greater adoption of the cryptocurrency. Solana plans to improve its blockchain. Solana, a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform, has announced plans to improve its blockchain. Proposed improvements include increasing the network's transaction capacity, improving security, and implementing new developer tools. To increase transaction capacity, Solana will use a method called Proof of History (POH) that allows network nodes to verify time without requiring large amounts of energy. Additionally, the company also plans to integrate support for stablecoins and other cryptocurrencies on its platform. BINANCE CEO responds to mainstream FUD. They don't know how an exchange works. BINANCE CEO Peng Zhao has responded to widespread concerns from regulators and the press about the exchange, stating that many of these concerns are unfounded. Zhao pointed out that many regulators simply do not understand how cryptocurrency exchanges work and are therefore afraid of them. He also noted that BINANCE works hard to comply with regulations and to ensure the safety of its users' funds. Despite the widespread FUD fear, uncertainty, and doubt, BINANCE remains one of the largest and most popular exchanges in the world. COINBASE lists Circle's Euro stablecoin EUROC. COINBASE, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has announced that it has added Circle's EUROC stablecoin to its platform. The addition of EUROC to COINBASE will allow users to buy, sell, and store the euro-backed stablecoin. Circle is a cryptocurrency payments company that has focused on developing stable coins backed by fiat currencies. The addition of EUROC to COINBASE is part of the company's effort to expand its offering of stable coins, unstable coins, pegging, bank runs, and other risks. The risks associated with fiat-backed cryptocurrencies, also known as stable coins, are discussed. While these coins aim to provide stability in terms of value, they can pose issues if the underlying fiat currency runs into financial problems. The authors argue that, in some cases, stable coins could even be more unstable than non-fiat-backed cryptocurrencies. The risk of bank runs on stablecoin platforms, where users try to withdraw their funds at the same time, is also discussed. Coinbase CEO reiterates that staking products aren't securities. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has reiterated that staking products offered by the platform are not considered securities and therefore are not subject to U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) regulation. Armstrong made these statements in response to an opinion article suggesting that staking products could be considered securities and subject to regulation. The cryptocurrency platform offers its users the option to stake their holdings and earn interest on them. Gaming engine Unity adds MetaMask functionality among new 403 tools. Unity, a popular gaming engine, has added cryptocurrency wallet functionality MetaMask to its platform. The integration will allow game developers to access MetaMask functionality directly from the Unity interface and connect with Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. The MetaMask integration is part of a set of Web3 tools that Unity has recently launched to facilitate blockchain adoption in game development. Twitter down the same day Jack Dorsey launches decentralized alternative. Twitter experienced a massive outage on March 2nd, causing the service to be down for several hours. Interestingly, the outage occurred on the same day that Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey launched a decentralized social media service called Bluesky. Bluesky aims to create a decentralized standard for social media and allow users to control their own data. Dorsey has said that the project could take years to develop, but has announced that he is looking for a lead team to carry it out.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking at me.